Hey guys, in this video, it's Paul here from GigaProfits. I'm going to be talking to you guys about custom audiences. Now, the topic in this video is very controversial because people will create custom audiences out of the wrong content and they'll match the seed content that they created the custom audience from with the wrong offer. So it's very important for you to match the content of where you're creating this custom audience from, okay, to the offer and the landing page, the match. It should match. So just like how when you run a basic campaign on Facebook and Instagram, it's going to be you're choosing an interest, you're choosing people that are interested in pets or whatever it is, right? It's relevant to, you know, what you're offering. It's the same idea that your video that you put out there to gain that interest, because think about how did Facebook get those interests? They got those interests by people being interested in video or content like what the audience that they're telling you that they're giving you, right? So if they're giving you an audience that people that like pets, I'm pretty sure they created majority of that audience from pet videos or whatever it may be, right? Pet content, okay? So the same thing you want to do is you want to create content that's gonna be liked and loved by your audience, okay? For example, like you guys are the audience for advertising. You guys are the audience for marketing. Therefore, for me to send you an offer for, you know, coaching services on advertising and marketing and also software to use to make your life easier, especially at the low cost of $47, I mean, that's a match, right? So we're going to retarget people that are watching this content with offers, and you'll probably be receiving them as well. So now let's talk about you creating your own custom audiences. For whatever you've been posting already, or maybe you haven't been posting, think about that content that you put out there and really create content and ads with a video that has your message about a relevant message, right? That sparks emotion, that also gets people to really think about the problems that they're solving. That's huge. Then on top of it, you have a landing page that's connected to it. Instead of a website, a landing page, not your Shopify store, not, you know, your eShop, none of this stuff. A landing page that specifically carries on from the video to the landing page the experience, okay, of what your offer is, that which is connected to your video. Now you have data. Okay, 80% of them, 90% of them will probably not buy. We know that, okay? And that's why people say, this stuff doesn't work, let me give up. But that's the problem. Until you create the audience of your people, that the 90% that are not buying from your landing page and from your video watching, and you create that custom audience, like that's where you guys are missing out. You want to retarget to those people. The money is not in the people that convert on the first campaign. The money that you make is on the custom audience of the people that bounce from there. You might say, hey Paul, you know what? You don't know what you're talking about. This is crazy because if they leave my landing page, that means they're not interested. Well, yes, I'm sure there's some of them that are not interested. I agree with you. And I'm not saying, you know, if you walk into a store, does that mean 10 people walk in and one person buys and then 9 of them that walk out are not interested? Is that what you're telling me? Because if that's what you're telling me, I don't believe you. Because I know that I've walked out of stores and I just wanted to think about it, okay? And I looked at that jacket and I looked at a few stores and I said, you know what? I just want to think about whether I want to buy this jacket or not, okay? Just give you an example, the jacket. But then what happens is I walk out and then maybe I see an ad for that again. Maybe I see an ad for that jacket on TV, right? Like Nike, they'll keep advertising. They know people walk in, walk out, but they know that once you keep pushing it. So then what happens is, now let's get back to the custom audiences. So imagine that you create an electronic custom audience of all those people that physically walked in and walked out of the store. I'm pretty sure out of that 90% that didn't sign up or didn't buy, I'm pretty sure that you can probably get, I don't know, 30% of them by just remarketing to them. And that's where the custom audience comes in. By you building that custom audience, which we show you in our program very easily how to do, and you can probably search online and figure it out, but if you need our help, for $47 a month, we've got a plan for you, and it covers software, etc., everything else. But I'm not here to talk about that. Let's talk about the custom audience. With the custom audience, you create basically a buyer's list, a buyer audience that you can send more ads to. Why would you not do that? Well, I'll tell you why you won't do that. Because you don't know what to do. And that's why we created this program, to help you do it. And you know what? I was in the same boat, the same way. I've used Facebook ads for over 11 years now, since they started releasing the ads. And you know what? It's changed dramatically. It used to be you just throw something out there and it works great. But now, as things change, you don't complain, you work it out, you find ways. And we've found ways to do this at a very low cost, $1 to $5 a day per campaign. Collectively, you can spend a few $100s a month and get results for your business. Why would you not do that? Well, the reason why you won't do it is because you don't know. Well, we'll show you how. Anyways, custom audiences, that's the key. Create those custom audiences, keep the people in there, keep your tribe of potential buyers in there, and keep marketing to them. Don't just market blindly. That's like putting a billboard outside and hoping someone drives by and catches it. You want to get the right people, okay? All right, take care.